Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this zigzag pattern. This is really easy, only 2 row repeat. As you can see here, I used the colorful yarn, but you can choose any other yarn you like. Let's get started. For the pattern, we are going to start by make some chain. It depends on the size you like, but in this tutorial I'm going to make only the small one to show you how to make it. When you make the chain, what we have to do, we are going to start by chain 3 as an edge, and I insert my hook in the first one, then make 1 double crochet. I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. 2 and 3. Now I'm going to skip 2 chain, and in the third one again I make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. We repeat that one, skip 2 chain. In the third chain we are going to make 3 double crochet. Like that. This pattern, as I told you, has only 2 row repeat. This is row 1. Is going to be repeat in every other rows. 1, 2 and 3, like that. And for the last one we have to just make 1 double crochet like the first one as an edge. This is the end of row 1. Row 2 we are going to chain 3, turn the work. When it comes to that part, we are going to start to make zigzag. What we have to do, we are going to grab the yarn in this space here 2 times. I said 1, again 2. Then I'm going to grab the yarn between these, then make 1 chain. Now it's time to make it here. Grab the yarn, insert the hook in this space, and try to take twice. This is 1 more, like that. Now I'm going to knit all these 2 and then these 2 chain together. As you can see, the first zigzag now we have. Let's do it again. Now it's time to make a zigzag in these 3. I'm going to insert the hook here, grab the yarn, 1, 2, then take that one together, knit these together, chain 1. Now I insert the hook in this space, 1, 2, then knit these all together and these to the rest. We are going to repeat the pattern until the end of the row. This is really easy and fast to knit, and this is suitable for baby blanket, a scarf, or any other project you like. And also, as I told you, I use the colorful yarn, but if you use another color, it's gonna be also beautiful. When it comes to that part, we also make one more, 1 and 2, chain 1, in this space 1, 2, and at the top of the chain in the beginning we are going to make 1 double crochet as a edge. This is row 2. What we have to do in row 3, chain 3, return the work. When it comes to that part, we are going to make again like row 1, but this time we are going to make 3 double crochet between these zigzags. Here, insert your hook here, and then make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then again here between these 2 zigzags, insert my hook and make 3 double crochet. We repeat until the end of the row. And if you repeat these 2 rows, you are going to have a zigzag pattern that is really easy and fast. Let's do the last one. And always remember to make 1 on the top of the chain to make it as a edge. This is the end of row 3. We are going to chain 3, return the work. Now it's time to make a zigzag again. So I'm going to insert my hook here, grab the yarn twice, knit this together, then the second loop, and then chain 1, and here between this space grab the yarn twice again, knit all together, and the last 2 loops. Now it's here 1, 2, 1 and 2, if you repeat these 2 rows, after few rows you are going to have the zigzag pattern like that. As I told you, almost front side and back side the same. That was is really suitable for a scarf or baby blanket, whichever you decide. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.